Is commuting considered a primary use for insurance? Have you ever wondered how the way you use your vehicle affects your auto insurance? Today, we are going to answer a common question. Is commuting considered a primary use for insurance? Yes, commuting is indeed considered a primary use of a vehicle for insurance purposes. Insurance companies categorize the primary use based on how you most frequently use your vehicle. Commuting is defined as driving regularly to work, school, or similar consistent destinations. This classification is common and plays a significant role in how insurers assess risk and calculate premiums. When you apply for auto insurance, you will typically be asked to specify the primary use of your vehicle. You can choose from options such as commuting, pleasure, or business. Commuting means your vehicle is regularly driven for travel to and from your workplace or school. This does not have to be every day, but it should be on a consistent basis. This is different from pleasure use, which applies to vehicles driven occasionally or for leisure activities. Business use involves vehicles used for work-related tasks beyond commuting, often requiring a different type of insurance. From an insurance perspective, accurately declaring commuting as your primary use is important. This declaration influences the premium you pay. Vehicles used for commuting generally have higher premiums than those used solely for pleasure. This is because commuting usually involves more frequent driving and exposure to traffic during peak hours, which increases the risk of accidents. For example, if you drive daily to work or school, insurers see this as a higher risk compared to a car that is only driven on weekends or for errands. If your vehicle is used for both commuting and pleasure, it is usually recommended to declare commuting as the primary use. This ensures you have full coverage for both types of driving, although the premium will reflect the higher risk associated with commuting. Some insurers also offer usage-based insurance programs. These programs can adjust rates based on actual mileage and driving behavior. This can be beneficial for commuters who drive shorter distances or less frequently. In summary, commuting is a recognized primary use classification in auto insurance policies. Correctly identifying commuting as your primary use helps ensure you have proper coverage and accurate premium pricing based on the risk associated with regular travel to work or school.